Okay, so when it comes to buying like vending machine style products like chocolate bars and Gatorade and all that, if we had ads in our cars, what if there was a way to do like a mini vending machine like in the back of our EVs? So whoever our drivers pick up in the back, it's like, oh, I'm hungry or I need like a protein bar, thirsty. We've been sitting in traffic for a while. Boom, it's got a little mini vending machine right there. You can just get the product you need and done and done. Now, I don't know how it is, traveling around with food in the car. We've all been there. There might be some sticking points there, but again, crazy ideas here. So we are offering our car rental service, but is there any way we could take this even one step further? So yeah, drivers are coming, they're renting the cars from us and they're doing whatever ride sharing driving service they're doing, Uber, Lyft, whatever it is. But what if there was a way we could take this further? So let's say we had somebody that was at work and they needed to charge their car, but they didn't have time to drive down to our station and charge and go back. Could we do some sort of like car pickup service? I wonder if it'd be worth it for us. Like if they're, within the vicinity, if one of our drivers could just drop someone off there, pick up the car, bring it, charge it, bring it back. Gets a little complicated with, two cars bringing people around and all that. But I mean, there's just one other thing we could do, right? Or what if we're near like an airport? You know how they charge so much money for like that long-term parking? If we had extra space and there's lots of parking stalls, I mean, we already have a bunch of cars sitting there anyways with our electric cars. What if instead of leaving their car at the airport for long-term parking, they could just leave it at our DC fast charging location? And if it's electric, they know when they come to pick it up, it's going to be fully charged. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this idea of like the charge and return service for EV drivers. I know there's been like mobile battery services. If you run out of electricity and you're driving, then there's these automobiles that will come and charge your car for you. But what if we had a service where we'll just go pick up your car if you're running low on battery? We'll just go pick it up for you, charge it. I mean, it's not gonna be cheap. We're gonna have to charge you for it. But if you're in a sticky situation where you need to have your car powered up by any means necessary, then yeah, we got you. It's gonna have to pay for it, but we'll help you. Or let's say there was, a business on the same block as us next door, and they're a logistic delivery company. They're delivering, I don't know, let's say like flowers, or it's like a plant delivery service, and they have a bunch of electric cars. Let's say we'll give them a discount if they only charge with us. I mean, we're right next door, so we could give them 50% off and we could be their exclusive charging hub. Or maybe if there was a way we could do like exclusivity deals with different businesses to only charge their fleets at our location. I don't know how we'd be able to monitor that they're only using us, but there could be a way that we could get some confidence in recurring revenue from certain businesses that we know in the future they're going to be coming to us and using our charging services. I'm just thinking about all these different ways that this can be multi-layered, right? It's like an electric vehicle charging ecosystem, like a mobility hub. And it's all interrelated. They all complement each other. They all kind of fit together like a big puzzle and help each other out. So not one part will be struggling, then the other part can step in, and it's a growing organism that kind of supports itself. I'm in the mindset of the more creative you can be, the more opportunities you can create, and the more successful you have the potential to be in the long run. So I don't know if any of these ideas make sense, or maybe they're not that even crazy. Maybe they are already happening, but any of your thoughts or ideas on this, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. I'm going to keep talking about the DC fast charging world a lot more in my videos moving forward, because this is sort of an area that I haven't tapped into too much. And there's so much here for entrepreneurs that you can make a lot of money from. So stay tuned for more on that. And as always, I'd love if you were to subscribe to my channel and keep following the journey. Thanks so much for checking in. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.